Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take macro photos with OnePlus 11. And to do this you will need to open the camera. Right here, choose the photo mode and click on these three dots. Make sure that auto macro is enabled. Now we can pick up our phone and then choose the object you want to take a macro photo of. It should change to macro automatically. Now make sure that you have very good light and place your phone about 3 or 4 centimeters from the object. And you can do it like that. Now click on the shutter. And that's how you take macro photos. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.